Alright, y'all. Trying to get some JLo realness. Now let me try it again. Nah, I failed. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, JLo finally came out with a beauty line 100 years later. So I went to Sephora and I got me the JLo Beauty, the Limitless Glow in a Multitasking Mask. So it gives radiant skin. It's gonna plump up my skin. It's gonna tighten my skin. Now, I didn't get to buy the whole line, one because it is a bit pricey. I see that she's trying to go on the luxury kind of side, you know, not as, you know, for everybody. Like Rihanna came out with her skincare line, Fenty Beauty, and, you know, caters to everybody, because her price range, I was shocked, it was like $28, you know, that kind of jazz. JLo is in the hundreds, you know, like $100 something. I was like, I'm not about to buy this, it's way too expensive. I have all that. I have, you know, sunscreen, moisturizer. I have so much skincare, y'all. So, but I really wanted to get the mask. So that's why I got the sheet mask. That's why I'm doing this video, talking about the sheet mask and being honest with y'all. Because I used to work at Sephora as a skincare advisor. I have a lot of knowledge in skincare. So, you know, and I've tried so many sheet masks before. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. And, you know, she did talk about this on her Instagram, talking about, you know, that did wonders, that it really tightened it, that it really plumped out the skin, make you look much younger. She was saying that she found it way better than the SK2 sheet mask, which I've loved because this has Patera. Let me tell y'all, this thing plumps your skin. Before a red carpet, this is what celebrities use. This thing will plump your skin, hydrate your skin, brighten your skin. Girl, this is the same price actually. This was actually Limitless. So the sheet mask was $18. I don't know if they sell these in singles anymore, but I believe they used to be like $18, $17, almost $20. So I was kind of shocked. I was like, oh, there's probably like 3 in here. No, there's 1. I was like, oh, it's a single. So I was like, okay. Girl, I love JLo. I've been a fan of JLo since way back in the day. You know, Waiting for Tonight, Selena movie, the whole jazz, Ben Affleck, you know, everything. I've been a huge fan. So when she came out with the JLo Beauty line, I was just like, girl, you should have came out with that on the peak of your career. When your career was on the peak, girl, every magazine, singles, songs, hits, everything. You were known for that JLo glow. I used to wear that JLo glow. People used to ask me what I was wearing. You're giving me JLo glow vibes. I'm like, of course, girl. Like, come on now. It's all about the JLo glow. This is way before the Kim Kardashian contour phenomenon that went on. So anyways, I'm going to try out that sheet mask, y'all. I'm going to see how it works. I have nothing on. I just washed my face. So I just took a shower. It's late at night, so this is nighttime skincare routine. I'm gonna do the sheet mask and an oil on top of it. Also went to Sephora, y'all. Just a quick little note. Went to Sephora. I bought Supergoop Play Spray SPF, which I'm obsessed with. Love the smell. It doesn't feel sticky. A lot of other ones do. Other ones do feel sticky, and that's SPF 50. So Supergoop, that's my jam. And then I got the Sephora body scrub exfoliator, which I'm excited for. My skin needs a little bit of exfoliating, y'all. I used to use Fresh, but they don't sell it anymore, and it is very expensive, but they don't sell it. So I was like, you know what, I'll try that one to see what's popping. And then the last thing I got, I'm just trying to show and share y'all, and share with you guys, is Fresh, y'all. Y'all know I live in Virginia. It is cold. It is dry. I've been living in LA for 5 years. I moved back out here. It's cold and I am freezing. I am getting dry. This right here, the Sea Berry Moisturizing Face Oil from Fresh, which is hard to find right now because not online, anywhere. You can't find it. It's so hard to get it. On Amazon, it's way expensive just to get it because this is only $53. On Amazon, it's like $88 right now. I don't even know if it's real or fake. I finally found it here at Sephora in Virginia. And I was so excited. I was like, thank God. So I'm gonna put this on after I do the sheet. So after I do on the sheet, okay? Alright, y'all. So as I'm talking, I am gonna turn on my Dr. Dennis Grove steamer. And the reason I'm gonna be using a steamer is because it's gonna open up my pores a lot more. So and it just makes everything of all the ingredients penetrate deeper into my skin. Now while this is turning on, I'm gonna open this up. It does have a little seal tape here. It does not at the bottom, y'all. So I'm gonna open it from here. Let's see. There it is. So it's a sheet mask. Gold. Alright. Now if y'all see, other sheet mask. Kind of the same thing. Oh, it's off. Let me open up my pores while I talk to y'all. Let me put this on real quick. Alright, so listen y'all. Okay, so leave it on for 10 minutes, then gently massage remaining serum into the skin. So it's a serum, okay? So it's basically a sheet that's just very concentrated with the serum, to be honest with you. Her serum, they pour it in here, and it's very deeply concentrated. That's basically what it is. That's kind of what this is too. It's very concentrated with a taro. The same way as the essence from the SK2. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna open it up. My pores are opening up already. There you go. So again, it says it's gonna help me tighten, plump, and give me radiance to my skin. Again, I had great experience with SK2. Y'all never experienced it, y'all missing out. But I'm hoping this does the same thing. Let's see what's popping, y'all. Ooh, it is so concentrated. Let me turn this off. Okay. Let's open it up, y'all. Hold on. Ooh. What? It says 2-piece sheet. Oh, it is. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is a little annoying. The sheet just... Hold on. Seriously, it's getting on my nerves. Hold on. Other masks you don't have to work this hard for. This one you do. What the hell? Girl. And why is there so much space right here? Is that the part supposed to go in my ears? Oh my god, JLo, really? Hold on, y'all. Oh my god. Listen, I gotta make another video with the SK2 because that sheet is so quick to put on. This one is doing the most. I'm trying really hard just to, like, you know. Okay, I got it on. This makes no sense. I guess it's for the ears. It's so long. Okay, this video was supposed to be short. I'm so sorry, y'all. It does feel cooling. Why is this sheet going into my hair? Other sheets are literally like... I swear to God, this thing better make me look young. Okay, so this is the part. What are these two holes? Y'all, I'm sorry, I'm really trying to make this video short, but what the hell? Hold on, what? Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror. Oh my god. Oh my god, that shit ripped already. Okay, now I get the holes. Now it's really tight, but... Okay, sorry y'all. I was getting a little annoyed with the whole things, but now it's tight. Okay, it's tight. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay. Sorry I was doing the most. Okay, this is cool. It's really tight. I love this. I love this tight. It kind of ripped a little bit. I don't know why it should not be doing that. I wasn't even pulling that hard. Alright, y'all. So, I have this on right now. How do I look? Cute, right? So she has a little note here that says, the best mask I've ever used. It saturated with 1 ounce of my glow syrup, so I was right. For intense tightening, hydration, and ageless radiance. Right here is really warm. I don't know. I'm just like, why is there space right there? I'm not too crazy about the sheets. She could have done way better. She could have made this a little bit thicker. Got it all there. I mean, it's great for me because my beard's right here, but still, like, you want all of this. I don't know. All I know is that I better be looking. How long she said I'd leave it off? 15 minutes. 15, girl. Lord. It is giving me a little bit of not so strong, but a little warm, a little irritation. I'm not really sensitive skin, so I don't know what that means. But we'll see. I'll be back in 15 minutes, y'all. Let me see what's popping. Alright, I still have the mask on. I just want to come in and say that it was giving me a warm sensation at first. Now it's cooling. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. If y'all have used this, let me know how it worked for y'all. I don't know. My skin, I don't know how to explain it to you. It's giving me a whole different vibe. Like, usually I put on a sheet mask, I forget it's on, I'm like, whatever, moving on with my life, you know, and do little things, and I take it off. I don't know, it's acting really weird around the top of my lip. Low-key is giving me a headache. There's my child. Y'all, I don't know how this video's gonna turn out. Sorry, hold on. Listen, I don't know, this mask got me feeling some type of way, honey. And I'm just keeping it real with y'all. I don't know if I'm tripping. Listen, I don't drink, I don't do drugs, so I'm sober as hell. Cause I'm like, what? I don't know, it's just acting. I don't know how to explain it. What you want to do is grab whatever's on the other side of the mask and pour it on your neck and décolleté, on your chest. Oh, and one more thing, on the back of your hands. Don't forget, y'all. Cause that is a waste of the other side. Put it in the back of your hands. Okay, let's take this off. I'm over it. Let's see. It's been like 10 minutes or so. Oosh. I was gonna save this, but no thank you. Let's see how let's see if my skin feels tight. I won't lie. Don't come for me. I do already have great skin. But I can tell a difference, y'all. Trust me, SK2, I can tell a difference. Let me grab a better mirror. My skin does feel hydrating. I gotta give you that. It does feel nice and hydrating. Oh. Y'all see that? It couldn't be this. No, it's not. My skin feels tight. Huh. Y'all see that? Ooh. Y'all, sorry for this video being long, y'all. I was trying to make it short. I thought it was gonna be like okay, y'all enjoy my company. Yo, listen. Oh my god, this feels tight. The whole experience wearing it was a drama. But, y'all, this actually did tighten my skin a lot. Okay, it didn't much plump me here, but I can tell that it plumped me on my forehead. That's for sure. Not much here. I don't know if it was the way the sheet mask was cut. But, y'all, I paid like $18 for this, okay? And there's only one sheet that I got. It didn't really much plump. No. But it did plump me around this area. It feels tight. Does that make sense? Okay. So JLo, you did that, girl. That's bomb. If your serum does do that, I'm gonna check the ingredients on your serum and on this later on. Maybe I'll get your serum. Maybe. I still have a weird vibe feeling going on. Does that make sense? My face still going through some... It's not tingling. I guess what it feels like is actually the mask is working, but I feel cool here, like cooling here, like, I don't know. Okay, let me put on my oil. I forgot to say in the beginning, y'all, make sure to follow me on the boy Monroe on Instagram. Make sure to please like and subscribe on this video. And leave a comment down below, y'all. I would appreciate it. Let me put on some of this oil that is saving my life right now out here in Virginia. I don't want to put anything else. I don't want to put moisturizer. I don't want to put anything. I'm just going to put this oil and lock everything in. Okay? Y'all see my skin? Smooth. Okay. So I gotta give it to her. The mask is worth it. What the feeling was and the whole drama going on a minute ago, I don't know. But it did do wonders on my skin. I like it. I just wish JLo would have done all this years ago. I would think she would be on the billions. She would be like the next billion-dollar industry. Because she came right at the time where there's just so much competition going on. So many brands are coming out with skincare lines. Huge names, and I know Jeffree Star's about to come out with one this year till end of the year. So bad timing, I believe. She's not at her peak right now. She is a legend, but she's not at her peak of her career right now. So besides that, y'all came to find out what's poppin'. I like it. Try it. Again, call your sugar daddy if you don't have $18. So anyways, y'all, I'll leave it here. I love y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. See you on the next one.